Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add an email address to YouTube channel page. So firstly, sign in your YouTube channel account, then visit this studio. Now here you will see option in this website panel customization, click on it. Now basic info. Now guys, here is the option contact info. Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address that you enter may appear in the about section of your YouTube channel and be visible to viewers. So enter your email address. Then just you have to click on publish. Now click on view channel. Now here click on about. Then click on view email address. So people can access your email and they can contact with you. So this is the way guys you can add email address to your YouTube channel page. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.